All right, everybody. So the question is Bo Scarborough the next Derrick Henry? The short answer is no. See, the media is hyping up Bo Scarborough as the next Derrick Henry, but I believe that is a false notion, and I am going to explain why that is the case. So yes, we'll start with some similarities. Bo Scarborough and Derrick Henry are tall and heavy, and by that I mean they both are over 6'2". I think Bo Scarborough 6'2", Derrick Henry 6'3". When Derrick Henry was in college, he was playing at 242. I think he dropped down a bit since going on to the NFL. Bo Scarborough, he was 240 last year, but actually he's dropped about 10 to 12 pounds, and I believe he's listed at 228 now. And so, yes, they're both tall and heavy, but that already goes into some of the differences. But I'm gonna wait on that a little bit. So, what you notice is that now I'm gonna get into differences. Their running styles are different. Um, when you look at the way Derrick Henry runs, he has a long stride and he runs a bit more upright, kind of like Eddie George like. And he carries the ball high and he uses those long legs to just outpace his defenders and get down the field in a hurry. That's why they say, oh man, he's so big and he's so fast. But when you look at both Scarborough, you notice that his stride is a little bit shorter. It reminds you more of a traditional shorter running back who runs kind of a little bit quicker on a little faster pace. And also his pad level is lower. He runs with a lower pad level than Derrick Henry. So that's a stark difference right there. Derrick Henry's more of an upright, long striding carrier, while Bo Scarborough is more of a shorter stride, lower carrier. And that makes you a different type of runner. Also, you have to take into account the weight difference. Uh, Derrick Henry was bigger. I mean, he weighed more. He was a heavier load. Bo Scarborough is about 10 to 12 pounds lighter. That does account for something. And that doesn't mean he won't be a hard person to tackle or anything. It just means that they do have a difference in their body mass. So you have to take that into account. Also, what you have to do is notice that their body type is different as well. So when you look at Derrick Henry, you notice that he is leaner in the lower body. Um, his legs aren't necessarily like small, but when you look at it in comparison to his upper body, it's huge. They're small because his upper body is so big. His muscle mass is more distributed at the top, while his lower body doesn't receive as much. So he looks a little bit different. When you look at both Scarborough, you see that his muscle mass is more evenly distributed across his body. You can just look up photos from Google and YouTube. Bo Scarborough's body is more compact and evenly distributed muscle mass, while Derrick Henry's muscle mass tends to concentrate near the torso and the upper body area. And that makes them different types of runner as well. Because when Derrick Henry would lift the truck or run through somebody, he would lean his upper body forward, while Bo Scarborough tends to, and you can watch the videos, he'll drop his pad level and run right through. And you can see how that makes a difference in running. And so that is not to say that Bo Scarborough won't have a great career, that he won't put up lots of yards, that he won't be a great runner. I'm just saying that they are different, and you got to let Bo Scarborough be the type of runner that he's going to be and not try to make him Derrick Henry 2.0. He's just going to be Bo Scarborough. Thank you for listening. Please comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more videos, NFL, college, uh, other topics. Let me know what you think. Thank you.